Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and having a good time with your family. Today we are going to start the same topic, direct and indirect students. In the previous video, I have taught you about the changes which will not happen in the tense. But today we will learn in which tense they convert into which, right? So example like simple present tense will convert it into which tense, that all thing we will do today. Okay, then next we will learn about the words according to the time, how they will change from direct to indirect speech. And let me give you the information about the pronoun students. In the direct speech, when the pronoun is given he or the I or whatever it should be given, it will be changed according to the subject, right? It will be changed according to the subject. So here in the first rule we will learn about in the tense which will not change. The tense will be changed. In that we will learn changes in tenses, right? So my first is simple present tense. It will convert it into simple past tense, right? Simple present tense will convert it into simple past tense. So here simple present tense is given. So what we are using in simple present tense? Verb plus s or es or is and are. Here second form of verb plus or was or verb. As example I will write for you students. Example first, he said I live in the jungle. He said I live in the jungle. So according to this, as I can say, this is my simple present tense, because here the first form of verb is used, and here you can see with I have used live. If here she is he or she or it is given, so what I will use? Lives. Okay? He said I live in the jungle, and in the first video I have informed you in the place of inverted comma what we need to write, that. So here he said that, and as I told you, here pronoun will change according to the subject. I. So we are talking about the same no, that is indirect. We are informing to someone else. So here he said, I का क्या हो जाएगा? He. He said that he, and this is the present tense, and present tense will convert it into the past tense. He lived in the jungle. Understood? It is very students to see the things. There is no difficulty in this. It is very easy to understand. So this is the simple present tense will convert it into simple past tense. As for you, I will write the second example. Rohan said he is busy today. Right? Rohan said he is busy today. So in the place of it, what I will write? Rohan said that he. So yes, we are talking about the Rohan. So here he is perfectly given. Rohan said that he was busy. Today will become that day. Today will become that day. Here we have a rule, and I will show you how the things will change according to the time. Like today become that day, yesterday, the day before, the previous day. In this way we can write. So here it is given about the simple present tense, how it converted into the simple past tense. So let's move to the next tense, students. Now students, see here how we can change the present continuous tense into past continuous tense. We have a tense present continuous tense, right? Present continuous tense will change into past continuous tense. Fine. Present continuous will change into past continuous. So present continuous, what we are using is an are plus verb plus ing. Here in past continuous, what we are using? Was verb plus verb plus ing. Clear? So is am plus verb plus ing will change into was verb plus verb plus ing. Here the example I will write for you, student. Renu said, I am washing the clothes. Renu said, I am washing the clothes. ठीक है? I am washing clothes. ठीक है? अब इसका Renu said in the place of this I have to write that Renu said that she am का क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? As you know, as I have told you, pronoun we have to use according to the subject. Renu is my subject, so she is the girl. That's why I have written she over here. Renu said that she was washing clothes. ठीक है? So this is the things that we have. In this way we will convert the tenses. Present tense is converted into past continuous tense. Present continuous tense converted into past continuous tense. As you can see, if you are knowing the tenses, you will do it in a proper manner very easily. So it's very necessary to understand the concept of tenses, and tenses we have already learned in 8th standard also, right? So this is the concept. We have the changes of tenses from direct to indirect. Now we will move on to the next tense, and next we have present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. As I have already explained you in the last video that past perfect tense will never change in any tense while converting direct speech into the indirect speech, but present perfect tense will change into past perfect tense. So let's do that. Present perfect tense will change into the past perfect tense. ठीक है? So here how we can do the changes? First, what we are using in present perfect tense? Has, have plus V3. In the same way, what we are using in past perfect tense? Had plus V3. Right? If I write the example for you students, he said to Sita, I have passed the test. ठीक है? He said to Sita, I have passed the test. So here said to is given. So it is the basic rule that said to will convert it into told. So he told Sita, in the place of inverted comma write that. Here the pronoun is given, that will change according to the subject. So who is saying he? So he means a boy is to Sita. So Sita, he is my subject because he has spoken the word. He said to Sita, I have passed the test. He told Sita that he have का क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? Had. So he told Sita that he has the same third form of verb only I have to use. He has passed the test. Understood? How easy it is? Yes, it's very simple. We don't have to make it complicated, as you have that imagination in your mind, illusion that this direct indirect is very difficult. But no, it is very easy if you are knowing the tenses and all the rules of direct and indirect. So this is the basic rules we have that we need to learn first. Next we have simple past tense will convert it into past perfect tense. So let's see how it will get changed. Okay. Now see here students, how the simple past tense will convert it into past perfect tense. They both are in past, still we can do the changes in it. So let's see. Simple past tense will convert it into past perfect tense itself never changes, but another tenses we can change into past perfect tense. Fine. So here you just see to it in simple past tense what we are using. Second form of verb. We can say it's V2 and did and did not. Right? Did or did not. Here, how I can change this? Second form of verb will convert it into had plus V3 means verb third form. Here, did and did not will convert it into had plus not. ठीक है? So this is the formula we have for changing simple past tense into past perfect tense. I can write the example for you. He said, I saw a lion in the forest. इसने कहा इसने लायन देखा है जंगल में. ठीक, देखा था जंगल में. ठीक है? I saw is the second form of verb. This means it indicates that this is simple past tense. So how I can change this? he said that I will become. He, according to the subject we have to go saw. इसकी जगह पे क्या आ जाएगा बेटा? सेकेंड फॉर्म ऑफ वर्ब की जगह पर had plus V3. He had seen a lion in the forest. Understood? Yes, this is also very simple. So all the tenses which we are doing, it's very simple. Just we have to get a knowledge of the tenses, how it gets changed. Otherwise, it's a very simple and the helpful steps that I am teaching you for the easy method of direct and indirect speech. Understood, students? So see this, and after this we have a next tense, that is past continuous tense. ठीक है? So let's do the past continuous tense. Okay. Now next we have past continuous tense. It will change into past perfect continuous tense. So past continuous tense will change into past perfect continuous tense, right? So here past continuous tense में what we are using? Was verb plus verb plus ing, and in the past perfect continuous tense what we are using? Had been, had plus been plus verb plus ing. Clear? So here the example is Mr. Shah said, I was doing my work yesterday. See, this is the time showing word. How I can change this? Let's see. Mr. Shah said, in the place of inverted comma, that I written Mr. Shah is a boy, is a man, so he, instead of was doing, I have to write had plus been plus verb plus ing. Was doing के बदले he had been doing my work. It means we are considering to this Mr. Shah. So instead of my, here the pronoun will change into his. He had been doing his work. In the place of yesterday, what I will write? The previous day or the day before. Previous day. Fine. So this is the direct indirect speech according to the tenses we have. Clear? It's very simple. Nothing we have to done in it. As I have already explained you this thing, you are knowing the tenses also. In our next lecture, we will move to the next parts of the direct indirect speech. How can, could, would, all these things, our auxiliaries will change into what, timings, words and everything we will do in our next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay at home. Stay safe.